Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export REAPER project as MP3 or WAV format. So let's get straight into it. Now we need to open up the render window. So how we do that, you can press Ctrl Alt R or go here to the files and then find render, click on it, and this window will appear. Now we need to set some settings. So under the source right at the top, set master mix to export the whole song. Then we have bounds, we have entire project or time selection. So if you have highlighted a specific part on the timeline. Okay, so let's go with entire project. Now here you will select directory where you want to export, and then you have file name that you have your name of your track. Now you can select here sample rate, channels, and so on. And now right over here, primary output format, you can under the format select MP3 encoded by lame projects or WAV right here. Now if you select, let's say, MP3 first, we have here some constant bitrate and some Q bitrate right here. Or if you select WAV format, you can choose 24-bit is standard, or you can select 32-bit float. Then for sample rate, a sample rate you can have 44,000 or 48 hertz. And yeah, this is for WAV. MP3 we have like that. Mode is target bitrate CBR. Where is? Okay, so here is constant CBR, and bitrate is around, where it is, let's say this one. Oh, sorry, here it is. So 3 the max. And this is how you can export in MP3 or WAV format. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.